the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, east central San Bernardino County in southern California, southern Clark County in southern Nevada, until 6:30 p.m. PDT, or 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:37 p.m. PDT, or 5:37 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mesquite Creek to Lake Havasu City, moving west at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Lake Havasu City, Topog, Needles, Mesquite Creek, Desert Hills, Arizona Village, Mojave Ranch Estates, Mojave Valley, Highway 95 and I-40 and Willow Valley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arizona between mile marker 0 and 14. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 131 and 155. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. PDT for the following county: San Bernardino, California. Now for the